All right, hi boys and girls, I'm back. So once again, we're doing the same thing and using three-dimensional shapes. We're building and repeat and then we combine. So we build the cube with the cone and we combine three of them, okay? They're not stacked, they're next to each other. Over here we have a cylinder and we have a cylinder and a rectangular prism. They're next to each other, right? So if you were to repeat it, it's almost like a pattern. Cylinder, rectangular prism, cylinder, rectangular prism, cylinder, rectangular prism, right? It's not stacked like this. It's not three of these and then three of these. The cylinder and the rectangular prism are next to each other. Okay, next, number 6. So again, they want us to have these shapes connected. Okay, this one's a little tricky, but you know that you have to have a cube and you have to have a rectangular prism, right? In this case, you have only one cube here and rectangular prism, but over here you have a rectangular prism with the cube. They just changed the way it's positioned, but it's the same thing as this one right here. You have two cubes, you have two rectangular prisms. Okay. All right, so look over here. How many of these do you have to have are used to make the shape? So they have 3 of these to make the shape, okay? Because they're saying this is 1, and you have 1, 2, 3. Even though they're combined and it looks like there's 2, but it's considered 1 to make the shape. That you're using, this is just 1 of the shape. So if you count how many you have 1, 2, 3. 3 of these to make the shape. Now they're saying now you only have 1 of these. So how many of them are you using if they're saying only 1 of them makes the shape? So you're counting 1 of these, 2 of these, 3 of these, 4 of these, 5 of these, 6 of these. So the answer is 6. All right, this was a little bit tricky, but if they're counting this as 1 shape, then they have only 1, 2, 3. But if they're counting each one of these separately, then you need 6 to make that shape. All right, moving on. Let's do the last page, and then we can work on what is it called? Our homework, and then you guys could do the optional work, which I would really like you guys to do and submit so that for extra practice. Concept and skills, mid-chapter checkpoints. Circle the rectangular prism. Draw a line under the shape that have both flat and curved surface. Okay, so this is just a review. This is the rectangular prism, and then both of these, they have a flat surface, and they have both a flat and then the curved surface, okay? Oh, there's actually another one, rectangular prism here. This is the only one that's not a rectangular prism, and it's not a flat and a curved surface. It has just the curved surface. So that one's not going to be underlined or circled. Okay, next one. Use 3-dimensional shapes. So they're giving us a cube and a cone. So which one of these, which new shape can you make? It can't be this one because they're not even showing us a cylinder over here. So you're working with what they give you. They're giving you this and this. So you're making it together, putting it together. Which new shape can you make? Okay, this and this and this. Which new shape can you make? So you can take these two and stack them on top of each other, right? Because you cannot separate these to make any other shape. This comes as 1. So it can't be this one because they're saying you can put these 2 together and then these 2 together. No, you can't, because this is just 1 shape. This is how it's already combined. You can't separate them. So all you could do is just take this and put it on top of it. And none of the other ones work because these, again, they separated it, which you're not doing. This only has this and 1 of each, so it's not combining. And this also has 1 of each, you're not combining. All right? Okay. So I think, yes, that's it. Tomorrow we'll move on to 11.4. And in the meanwhile, I just wanted to go over real quickly. This is your homework, practice 11.3, page, I don't want to show you the answers, 217, 218 in your math workbook, homework workbook, okay? So you guys could go ahead and do that.